Do actors' partners get jealous of their love scenes? This topic is absolutely not appropriate for this channel, so I asked the editor to hide this image. But this topic is appropriate. 5 affiliate marketing strategies that don't require your face. While researching for my channel content yesterday, I figured a lot of people are looking for affiliate marketing without showing your face. And I found this video. I watched this video because I got interested and I found amazing value. But there are 3 problems, and these problems will stop you from making money from all these 5 amazing affiliate marketing strategies. But do partners get jealous of the love scenes will make you money? While talking about money, let me show you money. This is one of my Warrior Plus affiliate accounts, and you can see the vendor summary. The total sales 140,000 and total revenue is $5.2 million. This is a live Warrior Plus account page. Revenue last 30 days $28,000, and affiliate sales summary is 44,000 sales, $645,446 just from one Warrior Plus account. Here is another account. This is yesterday, last 7 days, last 30 days. Today is just started. One of my JVZoo account, affiliate commissions $215,224. So now that you have seen money, it's time to break it down for you so you can grab some for yourself starting today. And it will happen even if you're a complete beginner. But you need to understand all the money I have shown came from one single secret. And the secret is we spend all our time, our money, and our effort with a sincere interest to help others, our audience and our customers just like you. Even if you're new to the channel, you're spending your valuable time and we are here to help you. But we are lazy. We don't want to work hard. So we use the power of internet and help people with information just like this video. And we also help people with our softwares. And our softwares are free to start. All will help you make money online. Links are in the description. You can go grab them. For example, while talking about affiliate marketing without showing your face, we can tell you what we do. We run 20 plus other channels where we don't show our face. Instead, we use our own artificial intelligence software epic.ai to make videos for us. Epic makes videos using image and text, writes scripts using AI, and turns text into natural sounding voiceover. Wait, Mosh, is this an advertisement of your own software? Yes, it is, but Epic is free to start, so why not? Link is in the description. Besides, Epic allows us to make videos from bite-sized videos and combine them into long video or short video. That's why we don't need editing. No camera, no mic, no editing. Epic comes with 2.7 million built-in image and videos completely royalty-free to use in the videos, and it takes only 3 to 5 minutes to make videos, get views, leads, and sales. And again, Epic is free to start. Link is in the description. You can go grab your access anytime. Okay, I'm done with the advertisement. Let's get back to, do actors' partners get jealous of their love scenes and your money? Before we go to the money, let me point out the 3 problems this video has that is going to stop you from making money. All the money methods he mentioned have learning curves and they require practice. So you have to spend a lot of time to start making money using this method. The second issue is, for all of them, you will have to spend money. You won't make money without spending money. And the third problem is there are way too many information. 5 strategies. After the 16-minute video, you will get totally overwhelmed, move to the next video and spend another 10 to 16 minutes. You will not take action and you will not make money. I'm telling you this from my own experience. Okay, it's already too much. Now it's time to make money. If you closely look at this JVZoo affiliate sales stats breakdown, these commissions look awesome. But they came from the people who found our information, these videos, other videos, and our website content helpful, and they figured that the products we are promoting are solving their problems. So yes, as affiliate, we promoted all these products, and all these visitors found these products and our information helpful, and when they purchased from our affiliate link, we made money. So the secret sauce here is sincere interest of helping others with the information they are looking for, and then gently ask them, hey, if you want to get this product to solve your problem, then you can use my link, and my link is in the description or in my website or just in this link, so click here and get the product. product. After getting valuable information, people love to click on the links and they love to buy from us. Now, where do we find these people? And what are we going to tell them so they will buy from us? This is where this question comes in. Do actors' partners get jealous of their love scenes? I found this question on Quora. Quora has monthly 788 million visitors, and when you look closely, 71% of their traffic come from Google. So all these traffic from Quora are basically Google's traffic, and these website guys found Quora as a gold mine of traffic, and that's why all their 1.3 million visitors, literally all of their 3 million visitors, come from one social media, and that one social media is Quora.com. Now you must be very curious about what this website looks like. If you click on this link will take you to this crazy scammy looking blog full of advertisements, pop-up, and their other content links. So from all these traffic, they are making money from ads on their website. And here is the good news. Do you see this little text content here and a little bit of here and here and here? These are all their content. All the other images you see are ads. So to be honest, this website is literally utter garbage and complete clickbait. People come here to visit this website, click on their ads, click on the other interesting content, and they help this website make money. Now you might be asking, how is this kind of content helpful to the visitors? Well, the answer is curiosity. People are curious about celebrities. These guys are feeding their interest. Now your last problem is you don't have a website or you hate making content. That's absolutely not a problem. We built Maven to solve this problem completely, and Maven is free to start. Link is in the description. You can go grab it right now. You can literally copy other people's content URL just like this and paste it on Maven and legally hijack their website content in just under 3 minutes. And let me show you how it works.
PS4 controller is a super hot topic, so we thought why not we make a blog post for ourselves using Maven, and let me show you how we made this awesome blog post in under 3 minutes. Let's make a PS4 controller blog post under 3 minutes. We are on my software Maven. First, click the add blog button. Copy the web address of the article we want to hijack. Paste it right here on Maven and click the create button. Add a blog title and then let's add a blog image. We're going to upload a new image from our hard drive. Select this image and click open, and the image is added. Now let's do some text editing. Select this text and make it bold. Then select this text and put it on center. To add an affiliate link, select this text, click this link button, and let's say this is our affiliate link. For an example, paste it right here. We want this to open in a new window. Done. Let's add some headlines. Select this text, turn it into headline type 3. And we can do as much text editing as we want. Once we are happy, just click the save button and our settings is saved. Now the full text is here, but this text is not ours. To make it ours, we need to rewrite it using artificial intelligence. And for that, we're gonna click this spinner button. This spinner will rewrite the content in the background. The job is done, so click save and the content is saved. We can always add more elements by clicking this plus button. Let's add a video. For that, we just need to copy the URL of the video and paste it right here and click add. And the video is added to the blog post instantly. We can add image from all different sources. Let's add one image from Pixabay. Search with the keyword in this box. Click the search button and all different options showed up. Just select one and immediately that image is added to the blog post. So easy. Just like that, we can add as many images, as many videos as we want. And once we are happy, click the save button and the blog post is saved. Now this section is totally optional. You can fill these informations in for search engine optimization purposes. When you are happy, click the publish now button or a publish later button to publish later. And you can click this view button anytime you want. It will take you to your brand new blog post and look at the awesome blog post that you have just created. So awesome.
I hope this video was helpful, step by step, easy, user friendly. All our applications are free to start. Links are in the description. Especially Epic is life changing. We run 20 plus channels using Epic without using camera and microphone. 2.7 million media files to use for your videos. Epic writes scripts for us using artificial intelligence and turns scripts into natural sounding voiceover. Epic gets you traffic, do the marketing for you, and makes you money. Hit the like button if you like this video. Share with your friends and family so they also learn how to make money online. Easy way, the fast way, and the fun way. Subscribe to our channel, switch on the notification bell button. YouTube will notify you when we will upload our next money making video. And if you want to learn how this lady earns $2 million per month for her company using an underrated platform, then watch this video. If you want to learn about 800,000 customers waiting to buy from your link, then watch this video here. And if you want to learn about 3 AI softwares that can help you earn $70,000, then watch this video here. And if you want to learn how this website earns $53,000 from a $100 million company, then watch this video here. And we'll see you in the next video.